Since no one is saying it, I will say it. Father and Son is overrated. But wait, before kayo mag-comment na kung ano-ano dyan, hear me out. These are all on my honest opinion. These are all opinionated. So kung meron makikibang take, let's take it, diba? Yes, I know the hype is real. It's a local brand, support it, but kailangan siyang i-criticize. But kailangan siyang i-bash. Actually, no, this is not actually pang-babash, but it is actually a criticism for Father and Son and how can they improve their product. Disclaimer lang, meron akong tatlong product nila, ay product pa lang yung dalawa. So, yes, I'm supporting them. Number one there is the very obvious answer, price. If you wanted to pay 1,500 for the 100 ml nito, you can get better deals on buying clones like the Tafa Assad, Afternoon PM. You can already get those from below 1,500 pesos or even 1,500 pesos itself. And dito na napapasok si number 2, presentation. If you wanted to collect fragrances, you wanted to have a good presentation on how the bottle looks, on how the packaging looks. For example, dito is Good for Glory. Even the Amethyst looks good. Diba? If you're spending 1,500 for a fragrance, why not choose a better looking packaging? Third and the most important is the performance. I know ang dami kong pinagsasabi-sabi dito, but how's the performance? It smells good naman. It has the longevity, it has the projection. Actually, yes and no. I've been using Gentleman Intense for almost 1 week now. It's been my daily driver since kailangan ko siyang gamitin para makapagbigay ng magandang review. But then I just noticed na sometimes the longevity isn't there. Maybe dahil naghahanap ako ng something better. I've been trying other fragrances, but then medyo nag-fall off si Father and Son. Hindi ako na nose blind. I know what nose blind is, so yun na nga. It feels like the longevity and the performance isn't there compared to other clones. So will I suggest Father and Son entirely? Yes, I will suggest them, but no at the same time. Don't get me wrong, I love Father and Son, especially Gentleman. I love this. I've been wearing this for almost a week. Pero ayun na nga, if they wanted to improve better, just get better bottles, just keep the price. Okay, you can keep the price, but just give us better presentation, give your buyers, your customers a greater satisfaction since you're into the local perfume business. And isa pa rin sa mga sikat ngayon na good dupes or something, good fragrances na you can avail locally. But yun na nga, by the end of the day, this is my personal review, this is my personal opinion on how Father and Son is. I hope they can give us better products in the future, better line, better presentation. Yun lang naman yung para sa akin. Peace out.